Range Rover Sport in for our ultimate immobiliser, also with category S5 meta tracking system. Just going to show how this system works. So this has a few more layers than your usual. Vehicle will start, but most people, when they select gear, it'll just kill the engine, but it'll leave it in drive, leave the handbrake off, and it's susceptible to roll away. So we have patched this, so as we select gear, kills it, puts it into park, puts the handbrake on. We're now getting the phone call, just cancel that down. So these are multiple layers going on, not just your single point of immobilisation. So we have three things going on all at the same time. So what we need to do now is enter our PIN code using buttons around the vehicle. Whatever's available on the network, your installer will explain what's available. So if I enter the demo code, we get a disarm flash, and now we can select gear nice and safely back into park. So this is available on all platforms, your StarLine, AutoWatch Ghost and your Scorpion X. Interested in getting your vehicle secured, give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.